If you ever struggled with making trees look natural and full of life, this tutorial's for you. Here's what I'll be using for today. Medieval Boar X Craftamo brush set. So this one has the perfect mix of detail and texture brushes. Perfect for gouache painting. Gouache paints in various greens, yellows, blues, and browns. 300 GSM watercolor paper, a palette, and some clean water for mixing. Let's start simple with a round classic tree shape. But before that, let's paint the branches first. Just a simple one. Since we're using gouache, I'm starting to work from dark to light. So lay down a dark green or brown base using your round brush. And once that layer is dry, tap on some lighter shades of green. Then, finish with a few light yellow-green highlights where the sunlight hits. Next up, the pine tree. Start with a simple line for the trunk and a triangular outline. Use your angle brush to layer strokes from top to bottom, switching between dark and light greens. Keep your brush angled and create short strokes for that spiky pine texture. Now, for something with movement, a weeping willow. Start with a wide trunk and a few long, curved branches. Use a round or filbert brush to create downward strokes of green from each branch. Layering lighter shades on top to create that soft, draping look. Keep your strokes loose and let the paint flow, because willows are all about movement. Now, for a tall, elegant tree. Use a vertical oval shape as your guide. Apply quick upward strokes with a small round brush. Keep the center darker and edges lighter to make it look dimensional. Finally, let's paint a large spreading oak tree. Start with a sturdy trunk using a mix of brown and Payne's gray. Then, use your round brush to paint wide, uneven clusters of foliage. Alternate between dark and light greens, and don't be afraid of irregular shapes, because that's what makes it real. Once all 5 trees are done, step back and check your balance. You can add a few grassy textures or soft shadows at the base to ground them. And that's it! 5 easy gouache trees done. I hope this inspired you to slow down, experiment, and enjoy the process of painting with gouache. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tree was your favorite. Happy painting!